Hi there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will go over an easy technique exercise that combines some previous topics. I will link the related videos in the description box below. It combines a forward step with a pivot and a side step. Use all of your principles of extending, pushing off, and absorbing the weight smoothly like we have previously gone over. Now we will connect the two steps with a dissociation to help us pivot. Let's break it down. We push off smoothly for our forward step. This forward step is clean and crisp. In order to do the pivot, we generate the turn from our core. We open up the shoulders first before the hips follow. Now I'm facing exactly front and I can take my side step. The benefits of this exercise come when it is done thoughtfully and precisely. Keep watching to see me do it with the upper body in frame. Go slowly and try to make each step so clear that if someone took a photo at each stage of the exercise, each part can be a snapshot. Let's play around and make it a little harder. Now I'm trying to do the same exercise but all on my toes. This is great for building up balance and strength. Alrighty, let's see the hard version from the front. You can see the dissociation in my torso much better in this shot. Also, see how much I'm wobbling? This is hard. Don't give up. Keep practicing. If this extra balancing is too hard, feel free to do the first version. Doing it cleanly and precisely is the most important thing I want to try to communicate through this exercise. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Bye!